This is Jaspreet. I'm just doing my work in a cafe while having my favorite lunch snacks, Kerala banana chips. I love the taste of these chips while doing my work. I love the packaging and the taste and the quality they are providing. When I checked their website and scrolled it, I didn't get the vibe as in the banana chips, as in the packaging. I feel something is missing. So I gave a redesign in a Figma. Let's check it out. I have designed this for the web as well as for the phone. This is the before, this is the redesign I have did. Let's check out the Figma prototype for the both, for the web version as well as for the phone version. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you have any query or suggestion regarding the design, let me know in the comment section and you can connect me on socials. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, you can just subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification because I'm gonna post some new design related videos very soon.